Hello everyone, welcome to K12 Learn Hub, your go-to place for practical teaching resources, lesson planning, and educational content writing. If you have ever wondered how to write clear, effective learning objectives for your lessons, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will learn what learning objectives are, why they are important, how to write them correctly, and see practical examples that you can use in your own classroom. So let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. A learning objective is a clear statement describing what students should learn or be able to demonstrate after the lesson. It gives direction to the teacher and clarity to the students. Think of it as the destination of your lesson. If you don't know where you are going, planning the lesson becomes difficult. Learning objectives. Learning objectives are important because they help teachers plan lesson more effectively. They also help students understand what they are expected to learn. When your objectives are clear, choosing classroom activities and assessments becomes much easier. And here are a few learning objectives too. So, and this is also most important. Why do we need the learning objectives? So that it is very helpful for the teachers. Here's a simple formula that works for almost every lesson. Start with the words students will be able to. Then choose an action verb like identify, explain, compare, create, solve or demonstrate. Finally, mention exactly what students will learn. The action verb is one of the most important parts of a learning objective because it tells us exactly what students should do. Always use measurable verbs that can be observed during learning. Let's look at a few examples. Notice how each objective clearly states what students will do. These objectives are specific, measurable, and easy to assess. Many teachers use words like understand, know, or learn. The problem is that these words cannot be easily measured. Instead, use action verbs that describe visible student performance. That looks great. Before finalizing your lesson plan, ask yourself these four questions. Is the objective clear? Is it measurable? Is it specific? And does it match the classroom activity? If the answer is yes, then your learning objective is ready. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're teaching the topic community helpers. Pause the video and try writing one learning objective using the formula you have learned. Once you have written it, compare it with this example. Students will be able to identify different community helpers and describe their roles in the community. Let's quickly recap today's lesson. We learned what learning objectives are, why they are important, how to write them using a simple formula, and the common mistakes to avoid. With practice, writing effective learning objectives becomes much easier. I think this will be your takeaway once when you watch the full video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you write better learning objectives for your classroom. If you found it useful, please like this video, subscribe to K12 Learn Hub and share it with fellow teachers. In the next video, we will learn how to write learning outcomes and understand how they differ from learning objectives. Until next time, keep inspiring young minds. Happy teaching!